Right, as you can see, problem has been solved, and you're not going to believe what the solution was. And let's just say I'm happy with what I found. You know, if something's going to go bad, and not necessarily even go bad, it's the story of this truck, man. It's had a rough life, and it's been, you know, abused. So I'm about to show you what the problem was. It was hidden from me, and hidden from your view too. But after I made that video, I came back down, and all of a sudden I said, I'm gonna start taking you know, piece by piece, taking things off that control the steering, and then move it by hand. And it's easy to move by hand. I didn't have any problems, you know, going back and forth and everything. And as I put my hands on it, I started realizing where it was binding up. Somebody got really close with a guess, saying that the steering stabilizer. So I took the steering stabilizers off, and this is what I found. Yeah, somebody evidently trying to get this off the tow truck or something, wrapped the chain around the steering stabilizer, around here trying to pull it, and evidently crushed this and bent the steering stabilizer. So if you got a lifted truck and you can't steer it, this is a possible problem right here. Yeah, I would have never guessed. I mean, it was like blowing my mind. I was like, what in the heck? You know, I thought, oh man, this is going to be something really expensive, which, you know, these are like 30, 40 bucks, but man, I'm so glad it's this instead of you know, something in the U-joints and you know, ball joints or steering box. This is one of the cheaper things to happen to it. And yeah, somebody was just being an idiot when they pulled this off a tow truck, probably. As you can see, it gets stuck and it would only steer so far, and it created a very unsafe condition for somebody trying to drive this truck and not noticing that. But you can see right there, you know, it's like dented in. It was hidden behind here, and you could not, it actually goes this way, you could not see it, and you could not see that it's dented in or anything. It was not very obvious. It was on this left side. So anyway, thanks for trying to help out, guys, and those suggestions you gave were great, because those are probably problems that you've run across, and somebody reading or looking at this video has steering problems. They can go down and read the comments and use the helpful suggestions you guys gave. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. And I think we're gonna work on, let me show you what I'm working on now. Talking aluminum flatbed here. Yeah, the idea, I'm gonna go with aluminum, but I think I'm gonna put a wood interior in here so that if I tear it up, I can, you know, replace the wood. But it's gonna be a lot lighter, and I think it'll be pretty strong. And plus I already have the aluminum, and I don't have very much invested in it. But I need to figure out, I thought about using this thin part right here, but I'm trying to match this body line right here, right along with the base of that. I think that'll be a nice look, 'cause that way it won't be off. And I thought about going with thinner material, but I put that up there and it looks too thin. So I'm gonna go with this on the sides. And plus this stuff is like, you know, solid. Oh, that ant, that's a spider or something. This thing's pretty solid, little I-beam right here, and then give me some good material to weld to. I don't know if I'm gonna have the smooth side out, which I think I'm going that route, or some of the other manufacturers turn it like that and have it like that, which gives it kind of a nice look, but I'm not sure which way I'm gonna go with that.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.